everybody. Pro Trader, my founder of MOJO Day Trading and the perfect trading system. Welcome. We're going to hang out tonight. Looking forward. I got my Bitcoin shirt. First time I've worn this in a while. Look, I got my Bitcoin socks too, baby. My Psycho Bunny Bitcoin. Loving it. Got the Heinz hat, but I don't need that. Let's head over to the main screen. We'll do some trading. Hey, Bobo. So this is the main screen. I better move my picture over to this side because I do some trading on that side. And you can see how I do my trading. I'm on Bitfinex, site I trade on. Right there. And I got the order form right there behind me. I can put my picture right next, right there. I need to watch those babies. So I can adjust that. Bobo, we can put him. Down here. I guess I could put myself down there too. I don't use anything over there in that bottom corner. So I'll be down there in the bottom corner. Real small. He can be right above me. He can be next to me. Cool. Mr. Bobs. I'll stick them over here. I gotta show you some orders and stuff. Cool. So this is my crypto trading platform, Bitfinex, right here. I have no active positions. Bitcoin was just at 12,000 when I started the show. It's up 73 points already. See that? Let's go to the 5-minute. See, it just made a nice move right here. I started the show in the last 5 minutes. So let's see if it makes a move and crest the top of this bar, which is top of the day right here. This is 12,226. May make a short squeeze up and go into 1242. Ethereum's 322 now. No way. Was made a breakout right here. Don't tell me a Classic's 30. Yup, 30 on Classic. I sold it too early. It's all right. Did good on it. XMR is the same at 100. Here's what I had earlier. I'll show you right here. My sheets. So we could see here, this is when I left earlier, IOTA was 41, it's 42.4. Wow, I'm going to update these prices right now, dude. These things are freaking ripping. IOTA is 42.4. ETC from 820. Oh, did I write the price? Here I did. I wrote the prices down right here. IOTA 41.6 is 0.424. EOS at 625 is 637. Damn. ETC at 817 is 832. Ethereum at 311 is 321. And Bitcoin at 11,891 is 12,070. And XMR at 99 is 101. Dash I sold at 168 is 170.44. Wow, check that out. The price is right up here. It went from 11.8 to 12.0. This is before I went to dinner. 311, that's so much better than stocks. 311 to 321, 817 to 32, 615, 41 to 40. Look at that. Just banging out dollars, dudes. Banging out dollars. left and right. So check this out. Some of the orders. I'm going to do a little short coming in. There's going to be a short play coming up right here. Short squeeze and short play. I think I might short some Ethereum right here. What's it at? 322? Let's do a short on Ethereum. What's it at? Just dumped to 317 and the range is up to 325. Here's the level 2 on it. You could see where the size is. Right here on the right, 106 wants to sell at 33. Not really a lot of buyers. So it actually probably is a good short up here with a little bit of profit taken. We'll try a short at 332.50. We'll do an entry, 332.50. This trail cost is 0. We'll do an entry of 0.25 at 32.50 and on the ask here at 25. I'm at 40. It already just dumped to 31.4. Damn, that would have been a good short, Mojo. Shit. Let me get in here at 332. He wants to do 12, so I'll go 330, 322, 20. I'm right there. Let me just cancel. I put in the wrong price. So you click this red button, it puts up the ask. We sell here. And we'll go 322 also. Boom. I got 2 of them right there. So I'll cancel the one behind it and see if we get filled on the first one at 322. I got filled. Short. 0.25 entry on Ethereum. I'll get up to 250 Ethereum. This is just an entry. 2 of them. Just wanted to see what it does here. So now we'll go 21.75. I'm right here on the right. You can see behind my can move this up a little bit. And I'm right here at 322.07. I just got filled, executed, partial. So we got 322.50. 25 coins. Sell. I'm right here at 50 now. And you could see this trade right here. If I refresh the trade, you'll see it right there. It costed 0. Look, I shorted $0 for the fee. 0. It's commissionless trading, nothing like stocks. So if you buy low and sell high and do it correctly, it's unbelievable trading. And I did a lot of great trading right here. When you have to sell or buy into the market, it costs a little bit of dollars. So what I was doing, I was clearing the ask and then becoming the bid and paying a couple pennies for that, just to make several $100s in the trade. So I'm at 322. I'm short 22 coins right now. I'm going to go 322 again. Another 25 coins. Oh, no, cancel. I might get filled here at 66. At 50, I mean. I'm on the ask. And Bitcoin's 0.86. I think I want to short this one right here too, which was ETC. I'm going to short this at 831.31. I'm going to short 250 coins. So I'll take him right up a penny above where he is. That's me right there. See, 1 penny above him. Boom. Dash is 170. I don't want to short that one, but I know these guys. See, let's take that back to Ethereum. I'm on the no, that's Bitcoin. 12,100 on Bitcoin. So, whoops. I'm right here at 322.50. I'll go 322. Short 25 coins. Sell. Okay. I'm right there on the ask at 322. But there's a big buyer at 50 of them at 319. So I'll get filled. But it's okay because it's an entry. I get filled here and here. I have my coffee. Whoops. And I have my gummy bears. I have my Bobo down there. How's everyone doing on YouTube? Welcome. Say hello on YouTube. Hello. So I'm going to short right here at 321.90. Sell 25. I go 321.86, become the ask at 25, and then I go here to the orders and I cancel all the ones behind it. Cancel. I drive that sucker down. Watch this now at 322.50. See this one? I'll sell 250 coins on the ask. That's me. So now it'll really like, holy crap, there's a big seller. They'll drive it down and I'll cover at 321. Watch. 321. I take this 22, go buy right there, and I'm on the bid. See me, the green one on the left? And once it gets filled, I met whatever it is, boom, that's a trade for a whatever point or two. I'll do whatever. It's a small little thing. I just want to show you how it works. I'll do half. Oh, let me change it. Someone just texted me. 321. We'll cover 11. And then 320.50 we'll cover 5. And at 320 we'll cover 3. Like that. Watch. And now they'll just get filled as they come down. Oh yeah, he's watching. Good. See? So that's how I'm trading. And these reports right here refresh. See, 0 fees, 0, 0, 0, 0. See, 0, 0, 0, zeros. And now I'm on the bid, going to get filled right there, 321. I'm about to get filled. See, I'm up $17. About to get filled at 321. So let's cancel all my orders. Cancel them all. Boom. Go right to the bid for 22. Buy. Buy. We'll see what the bid is. 321.24. 321.25. Buy. It's me on the bid right there. I'll up them to 32. Quick. Boom. That's me on the bid. Up them right there. Partially filled right there. Filled 9 of them, partial. Filled half of it right there. See how quick I was to jump everybody up on the bid? Now it's 26 by me, 25. Got to be very quick. And that order, partially filled, you'll see when it gets filled up in the report, costed me nothing. Play some background music.
Well, yes.
On the bid, getting filled right now. There you go. You'll see up filled, limit filled. See, done. Oh, that's nice. An ad for Ross. Just goes to show you, he's charging $5,000, $4,000, $2,000 for education on how to trade. And yeah, it's great education, and that's what people are doing. However, you're probably going to wind up losing after the education, and I'll explain in a little bit. Let me just get some tunage going. I get filled yet? Oh, I'm short 12 of them, up $7. Didn't get filled. I'm still on the bid at 31. Let's up it to 31.50. It's summertime.
Now, over the last couple of weeks,
Can't get these ads.
really taken off.
Ads, ads, ads. I don't do ads, folks. You'll notice. All right, I'm on the bid at 50. I should get filled right here, and then we'll show you some other things after I finish this trade. Make a couple dollarinos. All right. What's Bitcoin? 12,117. That's ready for a damn short. All right, let's short some Bitcoin. 0.15 Bitcoin. Selling 21,130. Sell. It's me right here. I'll go 21,112 too. It's me on the ask right there. See how quick you got to be with the quick? Boom! You got to be really fast, man. So I'll get filled in my short on Bitcoin right here. I'm going to add more. Well, I got filled. Executed. So I'm short 0.15 Bitcoin at 12,130. No, I got 12,112. My next one in line is at 30. I'm going to move that up to 50. I'm going to move that to I get filled. I got filled on Ethereum. Look, my Ethereum's been executed. I covered my Ethereum. Oh, my short. I'm back short on Ethereum. See, I went from 12. I had that order in. Nice. So now my Bitcoin short 12,100. I'm going to cover right here. My Bitcoin short. Watch. So I go right here at 12,000. I shorted it at 12,100. I go 080. Buy. Whoop, go right here on the bid. Click that. Go buy. That's right here, 78. Just made another $5 shorting that Bitcoin. I was shorted more, but I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. I'm on the bid right now at 78, shorted at 12,112 to go under 12,100. Successfully done the trade right there. Beautiful. Now let's check out Ethereum, which I shorted right here at 321.35. It's going to go under 321. I'm going to cover. Let's cancel all orders. I'm going to cover Ethereum first at 320.77 stopping station and cover 11 of them. And then I'm going to cover Bitcoin at 12,078 on the bid. 12,078. I'm going to cover that 0.05 of it, half of it. And what's it at? 84 bid. I go 84 bid. Buy. 83 bid. Buy. It's 82. I got to catch the bid. Buy. See, because the offer is 82. Let's go 80 and just go buy. All right, I'm right there at 80. So I'm on the bid right there. At 80. Covering a little bit. I'll switch it to 81, so I join him on the bid. 81 update. So I'm on the bid right there. And Ethereum, what's it at? 321.04. I'll cover it 321. 11 of them. Buy. Join him on the bid at 04. So I got to jump it from 321 to 321.04. Modify. 04. Enter. See how fast you got to be? Now I'm on the bid right there covering. I cancel the one underneath in case it dumps. So 320.77. Cancel him. And I'm on the bid right there. Beautiful. And that's how you short and long and do everything. I'm short. I'm at long Ethereum. I'm short Bitcoin. And Bitcoin, I'm on the bid right now. Going to get filled. 86. Come on, Bitcoin. I could buy the ask, but I don't want to pay for it. I want to get it for free. So I'll just sit on a bid, and I get it for free. Let's go to Ethereum. I'm right on the bid on Ethereum. I just got filled on Bitcoin covered. Bitcoin covered right there, filled. What's it at? 12,086. Let it dump down. I'll catch it at 50. 12,050. I'll catch it for 0.05. And then I'll catch the rest under 12,000. Oh, Ethereum, I'm short 33 coins now. I better change this, buy some Ethereum back. Right here, I'm at short of 321.25. Let's see if it dumps under 321. There it goes. So I go 320, 50. I just covered some Mr. Bitcoin. Let's cover some at 320.83 on the bid. Buy 15. That's me on the bid. I'll buy that easy, and then I'll catch the rest right underneath. These ads are crazy on the trading. Everyone's got the answers. But I got the real trading, folks. I got the real trading. So these guys got the answers, but I got the real trading. They'll pick out 5 videos. That's 320.50 on the bid now. I cover some more down there, 320.50. How many I got left? I'm buying that one down there. Oops. Let me cover the rest of this. 3. I'm on the bid on this one. Whoops. I was buying the freaking Ethereum. Thought I was covering it. That's why I kept on adding. I'm like, what the fuck's going on? 321 I got of that? Holy shit. Oh well. Lucky it's for demonstration purposes. 12,121. Shorting 0.5 Bitcoin. I'm going to buy some Ethereum. So that 320.78, I'll sell it at 321. Yeah, 321 freaking, I'm already up on it. 321.20. 1. Sell. Yeah, already, that's funny. 321.50. Sell. There I am. I sold Ethereum. Made $8 on that one. I'm gonna get out of Ethereum. What's that? 31. Oh, there's so many ads on this shit. How come I can't get some good background music without ads? I made $11 actually on that Ethereum mistake. What do you know? I like that. I'll take that. And short some Bitcoin up into this little rally. 12,150. Short 0.5, half a Bitcoin. See if it goes into 12,200. Well, I get the hell out of that freaking Ethereum mistake. Make $11. Glad I didn't have to dump it. So, as I mentioned, how I got started in this business, I just love trading. I saw a couple of chat rooms, so I joined. And it really wasn't what I expected because my picks were a lot better than what they were giving out. So I just got out of the Ethereum. Let's see what Bitcoin's at. It's at 50. And we'll short some more at 50. I'm on the ask. So it really wasn't what I was looking for. So I opened my own chat room and I started teaching one student who's still with me today, Pro Trader Alan, how to trade. And now I've taught hundreds of people worldwide. And in the last many years, I wasn't trading big until I am right now. And I've had some trials and tribulations. I've had big wins. I've had big losses. I've had little wins. I've had little gains and little losses, and I figured out this system. It's called the Perfect Trading System. This is it. It's a compilation of all my years of experience, what all these mean and so forth. Is engine hours of thousands and thousands of trades on everything that works for me, on getting prepared. The only way to trade with my 3 secrets on how to trade like a real professional, the systems, the secret trade plays, and the strategies. Because, I do a poll and I ask 100 traders and I say, hey, how do you have a system that you use or a strategy that you use to trade? And they're all like, I have a strategy. And I'm like, well, that ain't gonna work. Strategies are rules for the system. The system is playing pocket aces or pocket kings. The strategy is how to play it. Do you push all in and everyone folds? Do you play it strategically and win a lot of cash? It's how you do it. It's how you do it, All right, Bitcoin's going to come on down now. Let me switch to the 1 minute. See this red bar forming right here? 12,140. I'll sell another half of Bitcoin. Get on the ask at 34. Oh, Russell, I have so many ads. I can't play background music. That's it. I'm done. That's it. I wanted to play background music. It's every 2 seconds an ad plays for my competitors. I'm going to go 31. Sell a half of Bitcoin. Cancel. Okay. I'm short 1.87 Bitcoin right now at 12,133. I got a short 0.13 and get to 2 at 50. 70. I'll sell it at 50. I'm going to cover at 12,000. $100. I'm going to cover 0.87 of them. I'm going to cover 0.37 of them and round that out. Buy. So I'm already in there. I'm going to get filled right now on the bid. Watch. It's going to go from a loss of $12 to a punch of 21. See it? Watch how quickly I get filled right here. See the red bar coming down on the chart right here? See it? Beautiful big red bar. See it? Beautiful big red. Big red coming. I go 12,080. Watch, I'm getting filled 0.25. Buy. 12,050. Buy. Watch, I line her up. I ain't even going with you on the bid. You're getting filled quickly, dude, at 13. I'll wait for a little bit right there at 12,100. Watch how quickly I get filled. Patience. Watch. 7 people on the ask, 10 people on the ask want to dump versus 2 people on the left. But I'll still cover at where I want my business at 12,100.
Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, yeah, baby.
Come on, pay Mojo. Up 36 bucks. Come on, pay Mojo. Got a nice little short on Bitcoin going. Come on. 9 people on the ask. Want to sell 9 Bitcoin versus 6. So I'll show you the reports. Watch. Look at the trades that I did. See those covers and stuff right here? Look, this was the Bitcoin. Look, 0 fees trading Bitcoin. Ethereum, 0 fees. See? As long as I'm on the bid and the ask, it's 0 fees. I buy this thing right down here at 12,000, 0 fee. Now there's 7.59 Bitcoin versus 5. 7 people on the ask. I'll still stick to my business at 12,100 though. Because this size down here wants to come down. Come on, give me a little flush. A little flush on Bitcoin. Boom, right under 12,100. Come on.
Yeah, well, yes.
Here we go. 4 on the bid left. You can hide orders in here too. So look, you can hide the orders. See, it allows the option to hide the order in the book so they don't, it's not displayed. Gives you, but you have to pay money for it, so you don't do that shit. See, I got filled right there. Look, 12,100. See, I told you. Look, Mojo's getting filled. See, right now there's right above me. There's 7 Bitcoin. I'm gonna get slammed. I'm the only one on the bid right now. Me and some other schlub. But look, I'm up 37. I'm gonna be up 50 bucks. Here we go. Watch me fill right there. I'm the only one left. Buy order filling. It's up $61 right now on the trade. Come on, flush the one flush on the Hines. 11 people on the ask now. 6 Bitcoin versus my 0.99. Flush it, and then I'm on the bid at 80. And I got to go to 50. All right, I got filled. All right, I'm filled. I'll go another 12,100 if it doesn't move. There it goes, 12,100. I'll buy another one. If it don't flush, I'll buy another one there. 5 versus. I'm the only one on the bid in the whole world on Bitcoin right now at 12,100. Mojo, me, Pro Trader Mike, buying 0.25. Look, I'll buy a half a Bitcoin at 12,100. I'm on the bid. 12,100 for a half a Bitcoin. I'll cancel the 80 and I'll cancel the 50. You got another hole where I covered before. There's another whole bunch up here, so I'm pretty confident I'll get filled right here. I got filled. I got 1 Bitcoin left. Come on, flush on the 12.1. See, my cost basis is 12,162 now. There it goes. It flushed under, but it came right back. I'll buy another one right there. Another 0.25. And look, these trades right here just went off. It costed me nothing live. Look, timestamped in the blockchain right here. See, I bought all these Bitcoin back at 12,100, costed me nothing. That's why it's so much better than stock trading. It's not manipulated and it's all bullshit with what they do, you know? So I'll cover this Bitcoin 0.75 at 12,101. I'll up him. 102 he's at. He's 110 now. I'll go 10. Cancel the short. I'll just cover the whole thing. I'll cover everything up to 0.09 Bitcoin. 0.9 Bitcoin. I'll do a 12,112 buy. It's me on the bid. Let's just end this and I can do some other stuff. There we go. Filled. Come on, filled. Nope. I'll up it to 15. I'll up it to 14. It would cost me like $2 to probably buy that one Bitcoin. But if I do it this way, it's free. And now I'm on the bid, 12,112. The only one in America. Me, 0.9, filled, bought. Thank you. Only one in America right now on the bid at 12,112 in the world on Bitcoin. Feels cool, doesn't it? Not in the world, but on this exchange. This exchange trades a million. The best thing about Bitcoin is it trades on so many exchanges. Let me show you. So if you go into all coins, like this is the all coin cap at the top 50 coins right here. There's thousands of coins, guys. Thousands. But if you go into Bitcoin, go back, here's the exchanges right here. Look, exchanges. Top 100 by volume. So you have Binance, Adobe Exchange. These are all exchange. Like there's only one stock market, and Intel only trades on one market, and the market closes at 4 and opens up at 9:30. However, there's hours of institutional buying and selling in between, and this morning Intel you're up on it, and today and tomorrow you're down twice as much. It doesn't happen with the cryptos because the crypto markets never stop trading. It's 24 hours a day, and it's a beautiful thing. Gives complete transparency on what everybody does with the crypto and makes it just amazing. So it's really cool. So people don't understand what crypto really is. And I want to show you. Look, this is my trading. I had, look, Dash at 155. Let me show you. This is my MOJO Day Trade room. This is the trading. Me and Gerardo been kicking ass. So let me show you some of the things we've been doing. Go back a couple of days here with the trading. I'll show you all my trades. This is the crypto trading channel in the MOJO Day Trading room. Got all the pro traders, still some hang, but let's go back here. And we take some of the things we've done. So right here, let's go back to here. ZEC popping right here. Zcash. We was in it. My top pick to go more at 159 is Dash. My top 3 picks: Dash. This was ZRX. It worked. And IOTA at 44. Breakout here to go to 50. And Dash. See it moving into 160. Big Mojo cost 156.92. And then this one, big, made a big move from $1 to $1.80. Big Heinz. Right here, IOTA going to hit bottom at 43 and go back up for a shiner. It totally did that. Look, there's the bottom red bar I'm going to buy off of at 43.004. Look, 43.181, 43.3. It's kicking back up. cup. This is a beautiful cup and handle. This is when Bitcoin was at 9,000. Now it's at 12. Dash. All these other ones. Let me make sure I ain't in nothing. Yeah, I'm in 0.1 Bitcoin. 12,104. Let me just cover this Bitcoin right here at 12,104 and make my $51. Buy. So I'm on the bid right there. Made 51 bucks, so that's cool. My cost base is 12,618. So I got 9,300 right through. This is the secret trade play 1, trading through this even number. So if you bought right here through the 9,200, you went boom right into the 9,300. You went higher, a lot higher. Bitcoin, look, 9,500 keeps on going, goes right to 10,000. Heinz 10,000 was big. Right here, 95.68. Now XMR through 100, selling right there, 109. Beautiful move right there through 100. You see it? Then look, 9,600 on Bitcoin. It's a couple of hundred points. We're moving. 9,800 on Bitcoin. We're moving. 10,000 by the morning. It happens a lot sooner than that, Pro Trader Gerardo. Yeah, baby. It's in view, man. I have some of the others hoping to catch up now, like 5 wows in Bitcoin in the last few days. I have IOTA, ZRX, Dash, and XMR. And here's the plays right here. They're moving 9,900 on Bitcoin. There we go. 10,000 on Bitcoin, guys. Boom, Mojo's banking. 10,000 on Bitcoin. Welcome to the crypto channel. I made this 3 weeks ago when Bitcoin was hitting 8,000, telling everyone it's time for the move. Was going to be historical. Congrats, Pro Trader Gerardo. One of the next coins to move is IOTA into 50 cents. Dash also. IOTA, there it goes, 45. Mojo shorting right there like I did. Short, made $174 on that short. Now I'm up 228. I go long and short. IOTA, there it goes, breaking out into 45, into 50. Look, IOTA, boom. And this is ZRX, the other one. All my coins breaking out. Gerardo got $32,000 in Bitcoin. That turned into 50,000, dude. Ethereum at 16, it turned into 30 grand for him, dude. He's banking. Banking right there, boy. IOTA blowing some gas. He's got gas right here. BTC making a big move on gas. That's Gerardo. IOTA at 47. I told you it was going to go into 50. Mini Heinz, I told you. And then boom, Gerardo, ETH pass right there. And then Dash here, it's moving 177, right, Dash into 180. Look, 180 fly time on Dash. I told you I had it right here at 50. This is my charting. I draw lines and analysis because I know where these things support and resistance are. So we're flying right here, and this is what we got going on. Check it out. Bitcoin made a move right here into top 19,000, but this was a short squeeze from 12 to 19 was everybody that was short saying it went up too much, and they all got short squeezed out. As you could see, these red bars and these green ones with the wicks that are extended, these are people that got short, in and out long, betting in the wrong direction, and just got really auto liquidated. That's what the system liquidates you when you're over margined and you played. So they got liquidated, the smart money took it in, and they profited all the way back down. Then it bounced back up and they did the same play again. The fear chased up and they got burned again. So right here on the second bump up, this is the first, this is the second. Right here, this is 10,000. It's right now at 12,000. So Bitcoin has returned back to these two circles, which puts value on all the other coins. Dash at this level is 500. Watch. So you have a Dash. If it returns to the first bump, it's over 600 a coin. 600. I got to close out this. Bitcoin's going back up. I got to close out this at 12,119. I only got 0.1 left. And it just jumped to 31. I'll short it again. 12,140. I'll short 0.1. So this right here should go up from 3. This is Ethereum from 308. You saw it at 322. It should go to 600. This is the chart on Ethereum Classic. It was at 9. It's at 8 and change now. It should go to $25. This is Dash. Dash returns to the first line. Breakout is 600. Right now it's at 160. And here's Ethereum right here. I'm Ethereum Classic. My trading in that. ETC should start to do Heinzing. And here's what the Heinz is, guys. You hear me talking about it. What is the Heinz trade play? It's a trade play that works with great consistency. Once the stock approaches the whole number and reaches 90 cents or 900 or 9,000, just under 10,000, or $100.90, just under 101, or 99.90, just under 100, whatever it is, the momentum and positive expectancy takes over and it goes through the whole number. Why is it called the Heinz? Just like a new bottle of ketchup, when you open it, it moves very slow in anticipation of it coming over the rim. You have to tap the bottle once or twice before to get it moving. Once it crosses the rim, watch out, the ketchup pours. This is how the stock acts under the whole number, as it moves very slow. So you have to tap it once at 90 and tap it again at 97 plus. And then it will go higher, aka Heinz. That's how it works, boys. Bitcoin's making a move up. Tip, there'll be a very large number of shares on the ask right under the whole number. It's very bullish. It's going to go higher. Main screen. I'm short Bitcoin 0.2 now. Look, it's making a move up. See? But I'm going to catch it on the move down now. 120, 160. 61. I'm on the ask. I'm short 0.2 at 12,390 is my base price. I'm way up there, dude. Got a nice cost basis, huh? So let that short go as I'm trading live. And this is what Gerardo keeps on kicking ass, you know. Qtum, gas, he's still kicking ass on the gas. I use Bitfinex was down. So let's get to some trades. Right here. Just here's some IOTA from 38 to 40. It's 42. Ethereum from 754. Here's my buys. 200, 200, 205, 760, 760. All buys. Date and time stamped yesterday. I bought the dip. Buy it. BTFD. You got to buy the fucking dip. Right there. That's EOS. EOS at 583 is 630 from yesterday. Litecoin 113 is 130 right now. Ethereum yesterday 299 is 322. That's how you do it. And then yesterday right here, rebuying all the dips. Here's all my buys. Look, Dash at 155. ETC at 775 is 830. EOS at 580 is 630. And IOTA at 39 cents is 42. Here's all my buys. 80 coins at 114. I was down 25. It's $133 a coin right now. IOTA 19,000 at 39. I was down $6. I made huge. Banked on that, banked on that, banked on that, banked on that, and banked on that. Look. So I banked on all that. Here's the gains. The ETC, I had 9,000. I built up at 773. I'm up $2,131. Ethereum, I built up. I already sold it. I made $686. And IOTA, I had 32,000 coins at 40. I made like $700 on that one. Look, ETC. I have 8,007. I'm selling into the rally slowly. You'll see those shares go down and down. IOTA, I'm building more shares. And Ethereum, I added under 300 for the dip. Ethereum, sold it over the dip. ETC coming down up 225 now. Now I'm buying the dip again. ETC buying at 303, 300. This is how I scale in. 299, 300, 301, 302, 302, 303, 10, 15, 25, 25, 25, 25, 50. That's how I scale in, and Dash the same way. 166 here, 3 points lower, I buy 50 and get a nice average, and then that crappy goes up, and that's how it works. See? Dash, I bought that one right there as I showed you. There's my Dash. Look, bought it at 166 and 163, right in that range. I had a 175 Dash at 165, up 569, and now I'm on the ass selling Dash into 168, 169, 170. Taking profits on the Dash, all in the Mojo Day Trade room. That's how it works, guys. Trade like a pro, man. So yeah, man, play a game of golf. I'm short of half a Bitcoin. Play the mobile app's a lot good on this too, man. I got to short another Bitcoin here, 12,200. 12,220. 12,220. It's such a big number. I'm going to short 0.25 Bitcoin. And I'm going to short at 12,178, another 2.5 Bitcoin. I'm going to short another 2.5 Bitcoin at 77 and cancel the 78. Actually, I'm going to do a 0.5. I'm going to do a whole Bitcoin. I'll do half a Bitcoin. Do a half a Bitcoin. I'll do a whole Bitcoin. How about I compromise? I go 0.75 Bitcoin. How about that? And I'll play a game of Golf Clash. I have some coffee and a break here for a second while that's getting filled. Oh, got a short more, it's going down. All right, guys, we're heading down. Bitcoin's profiting right now. Let's go back to the mainstream. So right now, look, it's dumping. 12, big drop down right here on the 1 minute bar. See that? Big, huge drop for the Mojo. Let me get my face out of the way. Look. See the big drop coming right here, boys? I'm up, big drop coming. Mojo's going to make a bank right now. I wish I shorted more. Watch. 12,100. I go 0.15, buy. I'm on the bid right there, getting filled. It's a nice trade, dude. I wish I shorted more. Look at the orders I had in. I had in at 60. I go 12,113. Buy. Whoop. Oh, it's already at 9. I'm going to get filled at 100. There we go. Look, 12,000. I got filled. 12,080. Buy. I'm up 75 bucks. I'm gonna get filled here. Nice little dump. I get 12,100. Buy. I go 03, buy. 08, buy. Cancel. Canceling all the orders. Cancel. Regroup. 12,107. Buy. So I'm right there on the bid. I'm gonna go 12,000. I want it to flush 070. Buy. I want the flush right under a 12,000. Want to boom, watch. I wish I was going to short more. I wanted to be short bigger on that one because I knew that flush was coming. Look at those nice 3 red bars, dude, from that top one. I knew that Cupid was coming right there. Am I getting filled yet? I'm up 73 bucks. Now let's get filled here. 12,000. Going back up. Let's go 120 and short it at 70. Got it boxed. So you could see me on the right and see me on the left. My little red blink, my little right blinks. That's level 2. All of them have it. So you can see my reports, those trades. Right here, look, no fees. So beautiful, dude. You know how much fees cost in day trading, dude, at the firms? It's a freaking ripoff. You make 20 grand, they make 15. Sick. It's freaking ludicrous. For what? For doing nothing. Those days are over. There's going to be 50 different exchanges that you could trade Intel. Dude, I got Intel. Anyone wants to take my bid or ask on that shit, dude. Come on, everyone's going to be competing. Look at all these exchanges, dude. The top 100. You think they're there? They know. Look at all the money flow. $6 million on this one. The lowest one has $4.5 million flowing into it right now in 24 hours, dude. Look at this. Binance has $3 billion going through it in 24 hours. 3 billion, 2 billion, 2 billion, billion. Add up the billions and you got trillions, dude. And it's just the beginning. Let me show you, for all the people that don't know what Bitcoin is and how big it's going to be. Let me show you.
And Bitcoin's just the first cut. I mean, if Bitcoin's a better gold, imagine your financial system with only gold as an asset class. That's how sort of early in the beginning this is. There's going to be a menu of many cryptocurrencies, and they're going to rethink the entire internet and how we sort of view it. You could never buy a piece of the internet back in the 90s. You couldn't buy the protocols. You could invest in a VC firm on Central Road that had to pick Amazon versus Pets.com. So you get lucky, and be very privileged, and get lucky many times to get it. Now you can just buy a piece of protocol. So buying Bitcoin is like a call option on the entire Bitcoin Bitcoin company will not work out before Bitcoin works out itself first. So the ultimate Bitcoin bet is Bitcoin, the ultimate Ethereum bet is Ether. And you're basically buying a piece of the racetrack, and you're not picking, see this hit, doesn't matter who wins as long as the races are running, you're a part of it. And that's the beauty here. And usually the
Whoops.
And Bitcoin's just the first cut. And if Bitcoin's a better gold, imagine your financial system with only gold as an asset class. That's how sort of early in the beginnings is. There's going to be a menu of many cryptocurrencies, and they're going to rethink the entire internet and how we sort of view it. You could never buy a piece of the internet back in the 90s. You couldn't buy the protocols. You could invest in a VC firm on Sand Hill Road that had to pick Amazon versus pets.com. So you get lucky, it'd be very privileged, you get lucky many times to get it. Now you can just buy a piece of the protocol. So buying Bitcoin is like a call option on the entire Bitcoin ecosystem. A Bitcoin company will not work out before Bitcoin works out itself first. So the ultimate Bitcoin bet is Bitcoin, the ultimate Ethereum bet is Ether. And you're basically buying a piece of the racetrack, and you're not picking, see this hit, doesn't matter who wins as long as the races are running, you're a part of it. And that's the beauty here. And usually the retail investors come in at the end. They get dumped this stuff post-IPO, 10 years after a company was founded. Now retail has been the ones who have been there first. And actually Wall Street is completely asleep at the wheel and late to the game. Silicon Valley has actually completely missed it too. People in Silicon Valley and companies have maybe personally got it. Some VCs have personally invested in coins, but they structurally were unable to invest, had to invest in C Corps. And so buying gold or buying Bitcoin is not something they do, but the partners were investing their own money. And Silicon Valley very much missed cryptocurrency because they want to miss it. It's not good for the centralized application layer, the FANG companies that sit on top of the internet. Cryptocurrencies actually decentralize that, pull it all down to the layer below, the protocol layer, and the value actually accrues to the people who buy into and use and build the network. Not one company, there's not a headquarters of Bitcoin or Ethereum. These are networks that are centralized and owned by, in a very democratic way, the users. To this point, it's basically been a spot market. And so this is the first time that people can actually express easily a short position on Bitcoin. So what that's going to do is create a truly two-sided market, which should reduce volatility in the long term and also increase price discovery and just make it easier for institutions and individuals to point as gold. And I think if you look at gold, some people point to an intrinsic value of gold, but that really doesn't explain the value of gold. It might explain 10, 15% of the actual value of gold. Gold has value because we all agree that it has value, and we'll all accept gold. And it has a collective acceptance and value that way. Bitcoin, in addition to being increasingly accepted around the world and more people coming into the system by the day, has the mining network, which is one of the largest computer networks in the world, and it's backed by cryptography. A lot of people would look at the US dollar or government-backed currencies and say a government has counterparty risk. The average lifespan of a currency is roughly 27 years. Look no further than the Zimbabwe dollar. They have, I think, $1 trillion bill, or Venezuela. The history of most currencies is really terrible. And so, yes, living in the U.S., we look at the US dollar and we say, well, what's wrong with that? And it's a pretty decent store of value. But in reality, most fiat currencies out there fail. People use the word bubble. And this is basically Bitcoin's 20th bubble. That we came in five years ago. Remember when Bitcoin was a bubble at $30, Bitcoin was a bubble at $100, at 500, at 1,000, 5,000, 10,000. Now we're at a bubble at 17,000. Gold's been a bubble for thousands of years. But the bubble framework is really not correct to put against Bitcoin. When you think of a company, right, and their stock price, if they produce X amount of units one year and the same amount of units the next year and the stock price goes up,
and the economic doubles, and the economic productivity hasn't changed, the cash flows haven't changed in the company, we say that company is overvalued. But Bitcoin is not a company. It is a network. And the value of networks is Metcalfe's law. It's n squared. So the amount of users on a network is n. And so if I'm the only person in the world who has a phone, then it's not very valuable. I can't call you. But if you buy a phone, you've actually increased the value of my phone inadvertently or not even knowing, because now all of a sudden my phone's useful. Same thing with the social network. If you look at Facebook, the first person on Facebook, lonely place, not much to do. All of a sudden, 100 people, you can connect with people, you can share stories, share pictures.
That's a good analogy.
So it's classic network effects. 1 billion people on Facebook, that's 1 billion squared, right? So that's, all of a sudden the value gets exponentially greater. And that's how we value Bitcoin. Money is a network. People believe in the US dollar, it has more value. People believe in Bitcoin, it has value. People believe in gold, it has value. And that's not a linear increase. By definition, the more people that get into Bitcoin, it makes it more valuable. And when we try and take like equities or stock bubble type frameworks to Bitcoin, it's really, it's misguided because it's a network.
Have you sold any Bitcoin so far?
Well, we definitely, we purchased tickets to space with Bitcoin a couple of years ago in Virgin Galactic, and we cleared it over a long way for Bitcoin's value to go from here. We think that it is gold 2.0, and it's disrupting potentially gold, which is a $6 trillion market cap. So if you look at Bitcoin today at 300 billion, it looks like, and it's certainly appreciated quite a bit in the past year, but look, we've been saying this for the past 5 years. When Bitcoin was 100,
It's a better gold. Imagine your financial system with only gold.
Amazing, right, guys? Look, and I covered up that Bitcoin. See that on that trade right there? That's what Bitcoin's all about. So if people don't know what it is, it's the new gold, man. It's all digital, transferable, and look, you can trade hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of coins for nothing. Here's my order history right here. I covered at 12,000, so I'm going to come here on my sheet, my tracking sheet. Let me come here on my tracking sheet. So right here, I'm going to come to my tracking sheet. I'm going to fill in these trades that I did and log these trades. So what I did was I shorted Bitcoin at 12,150, 0.75 of them, and I covered at 12,100, and then I shorted again at around at 50, another 0.3. I covered at the 07. And I did one even more, 12,190. And I covered at 08. 0.04 of them. I made a total of $76. So watch, just covering 0.1, I'm going to do it with a market order. Okay. Log back in, does that sometimes. So right here, I'll cover with a market order. Done. And now I'm going to go into the reports and see. Look, it's a 12,092. Went on the 12,001. I covered that good. See that? 12,091. So I'll see what that costed me versus the others. Whoops. Got a lot of buying power. So let's see here. Reports. Trades. So buying that .01 costed me 12 cents. Just a little tiny. That cost, see, that's how they make money. So if you have to do it, and in certain times you do, right here, this is how to buy the S to get that thing higher or lower. But most of the trading is free, and it's really, you get the best value of your smarts, man. People aren't, I'm using my ability, because the firms, if you lose, they make money, man. It's bullshit. This way, if I lose, it's on no one makes money. If I win, no one makes money. It's on me. It's just between me and him. Look at that 12.075 stopping station. I told you that's where it went, right? That was a good dip. That was a good short, man. And that's what I do. And I fill out my sheets. Whoops. Leave that up. And I fill out my sheets for the perfect trading system. I made 76 bucks on this. And I made, like, I don't know, what was it, 14 on the other or something like that. That's it. That's how I fill out the sheets right here. So you can see I made, I'll show you my sheets from today. My sheets from today. Alright, so you can see right here is I had a EOS 7500 at 603 to 607. Hold on a second. So I had an EOS 7500 at 603 to 607. It was just a quick trade. I really didn't want that one because I was in the other ones. It's sorted by alphabetical order. I was in Ethereum. Look, for a Heinz move, 25,000 Ethereum at 789. I was up $2,000 at the time, and Ethereum at 220 coins at 301. I was already up 950, and IOTA, I had 52,000 coins. I wasn't selling that one. I was already up 357. IOTA, I had 60,000. I made 2,205 on Ethereum. I have 8,000 left. And I should have held it, but whatever. I was already up $2,000. Then I had 3,000. I sold 8 through Heinz. I wanted a Heinz it, which was my trade play, 802. I had a ETH. What was that other one right there? That was Ethereum 10 at 202 because I had 220 of them at 301 for the Heinz. Sold 306. Sold 306. ETC sold 302. Made 22.15, 22.35, 22.65. Here's some more. Still selling the position. So then I had Ethereum 10 left. I had then 5 left at 90. I made 1,080 on Ethereum and 22.43 on Ethereum Classic. And then I played some more down there and some more and more. And I keep my tracking sheets and I keep track of all the coins. Keep track of everything, the prices of them, so I know what they all are at all times. And I keep it in my book. So that's the perfect trading system. This is 25 years of knowledge that I've put together into this system. I've already taught it to hundreds of traders. It's back tested in the last several months with the tracking sheets and systems to several dozen pro traders that have changed around completely the success of what they're doing and how they're all doing it. And it's quite amazing and pleasing for me that the system's working not only for me and the people that are using it, but for all the new traders that are going to be out there, because it's my free gift to you. I could easily be selling this for like my live classes, which are $2,000, or my online courses, which are $19.97, $14.97. I could be selling it for $500, but you know what I'm doing? I'm giving it to you. It's my gift to you for free. All you're going to be doing is when I come out with a video like this, you're going to be clicking the button below. All you have to do, I'm going to ship it anywhere in the world to you. Pay for the shipping and handling, $4.95. Take this, frame it, put it on your wall, use it. You'll be up and running in one day. Use the system. Whew, look at that Bitcoin drop. Whew, should have stayed short, right? But it was for educational purposes only, even though I would have made more dollarinos. But use the perfect trading system. It's my free gift to you. It's a pay it forward kind of thing. So rather than paying one of the gurus out there, you have Jason Bond, he's 5,000, Warrior, he's 3,000. These other groups are thousands and thousands of dollars. And yes, their education is probably amazing and it may work and great, and they have a lot of excellent content. However, once you sit in front of that computer, no matter how much education you have, and you screw up and you add on to a loser, and it becomes a bigger loser, and or you overtrade, and or you do several I have like a list of them right here, making a new slide. So if you have any of these things right here, let's see, I wrote it down. Let's see. So you might be getting this great content and paying all this money, and it's great, and yeah, you'll win, but maybe one time you're going to add on to a loser, and they're not going to communicate with you. Woo, look at that Bitcoin drop. Damn, 12,100. Would have made like a freaking 100. What did I short that thing at? 12,150. Damn, dude, I'm making some dollars. And shorting the Ethereum at 322 is what I wanted to do before, but I bought it long enough to cover it. Anyway, so you're buying the education, you're paying top dollar, emotion kicks in where you may be in using all this great education, sitting in a trade and do three right, and then all of a sudden one goes the wrong way, and you're like, oh, he's good, and the picks are good, it'll come back, and I'm going to add on to it. It becomes a bigger loser, and it messes you all up, everything you've worked for. Or you disobey your stops, and I'm about to get stopped out, I'll cancel it, and then I'll do it myself, and then it's going to come back, and it doesn't come back, and you disobey your stops, or you're just too emotional trading, or you know you can do it, but you just fuck up all the time, or you overtrade, or you don't know what FOFL means. FOFL is folding. Like when this guy says, Mike, what do you think of this pick in the room? I'm like, damn, look at that Bitcoin. That was a great short. They think, Mike, what do you think of this pick in the room? And I'm like, nah, fold. I don't like it. No, I got to know when to hold them and you know when to fold them. So I'm like, nah, I fold. And in Bitcoin, the term HODL, H-O-D-L, stands for holding the coins. One day in this advertisement or something went on. Let's see how HODL got made. H-O-D-L. HODL. Right here. So it's a term referred from the misspelling of hold that refers to the buy and hold. It was originated in 2013 when a post in Bitcoin talk forum, the price surged from 15 to a high of 1,100, one of the bubbles. And the Chinese cried, I'm holding. He says, I'm holding. H-O-D, a drunk, semi-coherent, typo-laden rant Why am I holding? I tell you why. It's because I'm a bad trader. I know I'm a bad trader. But so listen, you don't have to be a bad trader. You get the perfect trading system. You won't be a bad trader. But look at that thing, bounced right off of stopping station, 12,027 by 32 stopping station, guys. Bounced up. Look at that thing rising, huh? What a great trade again that would have been. So the term fold is my misspelling of FOFL, F-O-F-L. So when they go, Mike, what do you think of this pick? I'm like, F-O-F-L. It means fold. So if you ever come to the Mojo room and you see the term FOFL, let's check it out. Let's go to the room. Let's do a search for FOFL. Jump. So right here, he's like, dude, REVG looks good here for the dip. FOFL that one. Here's another one on June 11th. Look at XON on the this one. Where did I say FOFL? Let me go to here, right here. Target $88. FOFL. We don't want that one. Here we go. Here's another one. Wow, UWT tanked after you FOFL'd. Thanks. Ooh, Bitcoin's making a big jump back up. So that's what my FOFL is. This one's new high, looking at 7, FOFL. Bitcoin made a nice run back up off that stopping station. Damn. So if you don't follow your auto close, or don't even have one in place on the account for the day, then all these things, guys, you need the perfect trading system, because this will dramatically help you. It's mandatory. My gift to you. You're just going to click the button below, fill in your information, and have it shipped to you. It's a beautiful, beautiful template, and all this information is explained in a wonderful PowerPoint presentation that comes along. So click the button below and have it shipped to you anywhere in the world. My gift to all the traders. Please use it. Get up and running quick and make money, and let me know how you do. It'll be no better gift than anything than letting me know your success. That's what I got going on for you. Play some Golf Clash. So, it happens, man. You pay for this great education, and then freaking your money should have went into trading for your second chance to re-up your account because you fucked it up. You effed it up. You messed it up. And you're like, damn, that education didn't do me no good. Now I don't even have an account. But this way, I'll give you my education, my gift to you. Learn the system. Use the system and the tools. It's simple. It's 2 secret trade plays and 3 simple secrets of management using the strategies into the systems. It's outcome goals, process goals, self-belief and patience, the discipline, math, buying power, and scaling that you need. Oh, this is me. Gotta hit a big... Got to hit a big fade around the corner to get it into the other fairway. That was a good drive. How far? 363. No, he quit already. He forfeited. He's like, dude, that guy's sick. He forfeited the match. He's like, dude, you're badass. That's so funny. That just happened when I shall play again. Collect those coins, baby. That's so funny. Play again. Find me an opponent. That was hysterical. All right. Who's up first? Me. So I got to hit it down into that right little fork. You see that right little fairway? I got to hit a fade, a little slice down in there. Watch this shot. And the wind is 7.7 miles in that direction. I'm going to put it down in that right gully. Watch. You have to. You can't hit the green in 2. Here we go. Let's see where it goes. Hoping I hit it down there. I may not have enough slice on it. Get down there, baby. Slice it. Slice it. Get. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's how he'll forfeit the game. That's it. I can hit it in 2. He can't. No one can hit that drive. He hits it into the other fairway. See the one on the left? And you can't hit the green in 2. It's a par 5. If you don't go to the one on the right and hit a huge slice down and no one knows how to do it, you can't hit it. Watch. He's going to. Let's see what he does. He's trying to maybe try for it, but if he hits it in the rough or in the bunker or anywhere but that little sliver, you can't reach the green in 2 and you lose. Let's see what he does. No way is that enough slice. That's in the rough. Come on, baby. No, he did it. You son of a gun. Congratulations. Now you go like this to him. Nice shot. See that? You can get little things and stuff. Look, I go, well played. Then I could say, look, good luck. And he says, thanks. See? So now this is my next shot. There's a 10-mile-an-hour wind. It's a big wind. I got to land it right in the middle. All right, so I'm lined up to the pin perfectly to go in the hole, but there's a 10-mile-an-hour wind that I got to decipher for right now. Let's see if I hit it into the middle of that thing. Nope, screwed it up. Hit it short onto the rough. Ooh, Mojo messed up. It's a tough... With a 10.5 wind, you got to put... I moved it into the middle of the bunker. I moved it to the right. See how he's doing it? It's not... I moved it all the way into the middle practically for a 10 wind. And it was just a hair off, man. It's all right. He ain't hitting it on. He's got an 8.5-mile-an-hour wind. Let's see if he hits it on. He hit a good shot on the drive, that's for sure. Let me have one of my gummy bears. Made a nice $100 tonight in trading. See that? That was nice. Let's see if he hits it on. Yeah, he hit it on. Beautiful shot. Oh, almost in the hole. Well, nice, close. Look, close. Close. He's going to beat me. I got to chip it in. So I'm adjusting the ball right now. Backspin on the ball. And I'm lined up right there to go into the hole. I got to adjust for the wind a little bit. All right, let's see if I can do it. Got to hit it in. Nope. He beat me. Damn. He beat me. So, I got to do some research on some African stocks. African. Right here. South African ADRs. This is where the money's flowing into right now. Play again. Ooh, look, I got some chests for winning 8 pins. Let's see what I get. Got some coins. Got a club. I really got all the best clubs. I'm a pro in the game. Alright, so I gotta look at these ADRs. South African startup. Lowland received 6.5 million in funding. Lowland raised 6.5 million. See, I'll post that to Facebook for my peeps to know what that is. Everything I look at, I like my peeps to know. All my socials. They like, if I'm reading it, I like them to read it too. You know what I'm saying? My LinkedIn, my Twitter, my Facebook, all that. Lowland, fast and easy finance for your business. Move as fast as your business with absolutely no commitment. Apply in minutes and receive funding in hours. Oh, I love it. It's like Cabbage and stuff, how it works. Apply online, receive your decision based on your business. No paperwork, no waiting. That's good. Really nice. How much capital you need. And you repay it in 6 to 12 months.
We want to grow my business. It makes it easy when we have places like Untitled to help us out. My name is Mo Mandisa, owner of the Kids Cooking Club.
Nice. That's a great, great business right there. Let's look more into that. Lowland will use the money to build its data team and improve its ability to reach more SMEs. 23 financing gap. Oh yeah. Where's the operates on Microsoft's Azure, co-founder and the company's CEO. Alright, so that's another company. It's not here's another one. 10 biggest African companies. MMI Holdings. First Rand, but I want stocks, bro. Here's some stocks in Mojo Room. Oh, these are markets. Botswana, Ghana. These are all the places that money's flowing into right now. Stocks. Got to get these stocks. South Africa. Botswana. Kenya, the largest populated areas, the Nairobi Securities Exchange. This is where we need to be. This is, see everything, all the change, they're all up. This is where we need to be. Olympia, top gainers, Olympia Capital Holdings. It's only $2.54. Symbol OCH. Wow, no way. OCH, not owing, and in the good, I traded that the other day. OC, that's why it came up. OZ, I don't want OZ, I want OCH. They don't have it. Oh, maybe because it trades on that exchange. Durr, Mike. Alright, I got another golf shot. This one, got to hit either in that little fairway on the left. See it? Oh, I got it in the, no, I'm in the fairway, right? Yeah. 305. Alright, let's see what he does. Is a Kenya holding company. Its main investments are in companies dealing with the manufacturer. Here's their website. This one's a $9 stock. Stan Lib Ferret REIT. Total Kenya, 28 bucks. Love it. Engage in the patrol, I love it. And Safaricom, I love it. Mobile telecommunications, love it. These are all the companies that we need to be looking at. Big shot coming up here. Took a lot of time to line that shot up, but let's see if I can get it onto the green. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. On the fairway. I could chip that in though. Close. It's a far shot. Look, it's very far. Look how far the shot is. He ain't even gonna come close. He's reconnecting. He ain't even gonna come close. Look, see? I should have put more. I could have got it on there if I put more forward spin on it.
Perfect shot.
He made it onto the fairway too. So yeah, man, this is the new stuff. Investor calendar, share price performance right here. Oh. I gotta chip this baby in. See if I can get it in close. Nope. If you don't hit it perfect, it don't go in. Share price performance. Try again. Nope, can't be reached. All right, here's this other company. Total Corporate Solutions. Telling you this is the new money. This is it, guys. This is when money flow is going to come out of the U.S. markets and into these markets.
Great shot.
You got it in. Shareholder information right here. Board of directors, management, financials. Follow him on Twitter. I'll retweet your stuff too. Stan Lib, this is the other one. Corporate Solutions, Investor Relations, results. I bet these companies are making big dollars. But all their websites are down, boys. Funny, right? That website's down. Interim results down. It's funny, I can't even pull up none of the websites, are all down. Nice looking, but when you press them, financial statement. Here we go. Ooh, nice solar on the gas stations. Dude, I love it already. I love it already. Some smart people right there. Total gas station, total everything. All right, let's see. Love it. Let's get to the money. Money, 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 money. Look, they're putting the solars on the roofs. Beautiful. Here we go. Profit peak, come down. Now the next wave up. Normal looking nice chart right there. Net sales per business channel will have a lot to improve right there. A little cup and handle. Total share price right here. Look, this is ready to go, 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 boys. You know what I'm saying? Let me show you where this is going. See, this top right here, 35. It's going to 50. See that? It's going to break that. And go boom. And look at this. Look at this. You ready? Beautiful little cup and handle. I love that. That's if you're watching my show, you know what I'm talking about. Show you my Twitter. 51,000. See, I get a lot of action with the Twitter. Like every hour when I tweet, I usually get like 11,000, but it's the weekend. So this is total Kenya right here. Take that, send it to my peeps. That's total Kenya. We got that one and this, that's that one, the total. I love that. It's my new for the newsletter. Olympia Capital right here. Financial statements for Olympia. Audited financials. See, I go right to the goods. Notes. Let's scroll down. Oh, let's go get through the junk. Right here we go. Gross profit. Let's see the debt. Assets. Beautiful. Look at the assets grow. Wow. Beautiful. At the 1.22. Oh yeah, thanks, you got it. A couple people texted me, thanks for the infos. And so they have loans, nothing. Liabilities, 1.5. Yeah, okay. Like it. $500,000 shares. Cool. That's another one. It's called Olympia Capital. Another beauty. So that's Olympia Capital. Is that this site right here? Let's copy this just so I can mark this stuff down. That's that one, that one, that one. And this is Safaricom. And this is Safaricom. I already got that one open. Oh, it's like an eBay? No, this is Safaricom. Plans, internet, get more, investor relations. Share price. Ooh, Bitcoin popped right. Look at the line on Bitcoin, pop right back up. Time for another short maybe on the Bitcoin. 12,091. We're going to go to 12,076 stopping station, boys. See that? Now it's going to Heinz 2100. IOTA's 42. Wow. See where I had IOTA going, I'll show you. See IOTA right here, I bought it on this arrow to go up. That was the one I showed you, went right to 50. Now it's a great value again, but I want to dip it down here on a catch it down here again. It's got a little gap to fill in up here at 45, but I want to catch it on a dip. I don't want to chase it up when all these are up today. It's a good short right now, the Bitcoin, but I'll pass on it. So this is the Luland. This is that share performance. Wow, this one's gonna bust ass too. This is Safaricom. See this little cup and handle, beautiful. Take it right to 30 bucks. That's right there too. This shit's going straight up. Draw a little line for you right here. Got a cup and handle straight up. Last time it did that was right here. I'll show you. Did it right here. Look, cup and handle. Thing exploded. Did it right here. Cup and handle. Exploded. Did it right here. Cup. And this is actually a bigger one. Little saucer into the top. And now it's going to do it again right here. And you have volume coming in right here. Just as you had a volume come in here, and then you had that big spike right there. So if you're watching my video, you know what all those lines mean. So if they're watching my my video, which I'm live right here, could share that, copy. So that's that. 12,100 on the Bitcoin. Yep, told you it was going to Heinz 12,100. See? Told you, dude. That's the Heinz. That's a secret trade play. See, now you'd be selling it right there. 04, 09, 24. Nah, right on the way up, baby. Told you. So yeah, that's the South Africa companies. I did my research. Did my trading for tonight. I want to thank everybody for watching me in the show. So again, thank you everybody for watching me in the Mojo Show. Until the next time, next week, peace, keep it profitable. Watch out for my new page on the perfect trading system. It's become available in the next couple of days for everybody. And I hope everybody gets it, uses it, and makes a lot of money and changes their life around and all their trading around from it. Peace. Pro Trader Mike signing.